Molweni, sanibonani, dumelang. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and become part of the family, please. It's free, and if you are coming back, darling, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Your support means the world to me. And today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I achieved this look, and if you'd like to see how I achieved the look, then keep on watching, and please do like the video and leave a comment in the comment section down below. And without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so I've already done my eyebrows, as you can see, and now I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows using the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. And I'm just pressing the concealer all over my lid to prepare for my eyeshadow. And for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Color Studio palette, and I'm gonna first go with that deep brown on my crease and just pack it there like that. And now I'm using that lighter shade of brown as my transition color, and I'm just gonna blend the two colors together like that. And to cut my crease, I'm using the Avon concealer. And then I went back with that orangish or maroonish color on my crease to create an ombre type of effect. Just as you can see, guys. And I'm just blending that color, and then I'm going with that nude shade on the inner part of my lid, and I'm just gonna blend the two colors together. And then now I'm just cutting my crease again, just creating that line. Just watch and see. I used my brush and the same concealer that I used to cut my first crease. So this is a double cut crease of some sort, and I'm just creating a wing right there with the concealer. Just take your time when you do that, and make sure that you are precise as much as you can, so that the line may be straight. And yeah, let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive. So and now I'm using my glitter primer. This glitter primer is from Signature, and I'm just applying it all over that line so that I can apply my glitter. And this glitter is also from Signature. It's a gold glitter, so I'm going with the primer before, and then I pack that glitter all over that line that I created there. And then moving on to my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Rose Primer to prime my face. And for foundation, I'm using the Revlon Candid foundation in the shade 440. And using my blender to blend the foundation. I got this beauty blender from Signature. It's very good. I like it so much. And then to highlight my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm gonna mix it with LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, the one I used on my lid. So I'm just mixing them together and then blend the concealer just like that. And then to set my face, I'm using the original powder, setting powder, and I'm just applying it everywhere that I applied my concealer. So I'm just pressing the concealer onto my skin like that, and then I'm gonna bake. And then to contour my face, I'm using the Natural Beauty Contour Palette and Highlighter from Signature. And I'm mixing those two shades to contour my face. I'm gonna contour my face, my cheeks, and my forehead and my nose. To contour my nose, I'm using a smaller angled brush, so that your bulb maybe snatched, honey. And then now I'm just dusting off that powder that I used to bake my face. And then I'm using that bronzer that I always use from Signature as well. Signature should just sponsor me, guys, because wow. And then on my waterline, I'm using the Casual pencil from Essence. You can get this pencil from Clicks or Discount. So yeah. And then I went back with those shades that I used on my lid, the brown and the maroonish shade. And then moving on to highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter from Clicks. And yeah, I'm just highlighting my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And also my brow bone.
Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder.
And then to set my face, I'm using the Rimmel Instafix and Go setting spray, and I'm just spraying it all over my face to set my makeup. And then for my lips, I'm using a brown pencil to line my lips before I apply my lipstick.
Oh, I knew you would call back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't want to lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need.
And then for my lips, I'm using this Essence lipstick. I'm gonna list everything in the description box down below, guys. So yeah.
Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me.
And then I went in with a nude lipstick that is a bit lighter than the one that I used first. So yeah, I'm just blending the two colors together. And yeah, that's it, guys. So that's all I did for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, because I enjoyed filming it for you. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you do try out this look, please tag me on social media, on Instagram and Facebook. I would like to see. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Please do like this video and leave a comment down below. Thank you.